back, guys. We have another unboxing to do. Let's go ahead and do it. Well, I purchased this, guys, because I just love Thunder Tigers. It was one of my first buggies I had, a Thunder Tiger was. I had the Thunder Tiger Tomahawk as my first nitro ever. And then I had a Thunder Tiger EB4 S3. And so what I've gone and got here, guys, is well packaged as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This looks epic. Let me pop it on top of my car there. Pop that down there. Check this out. This is Thunder Tiger EB4 s2.5 Mini. How amazing does that look? Absolutely crazy. Right, I'll bring you for a closer look now. So yeah, here it is, guys. The Thunder Tiger EB4 s2.5 Mini 1/8 nitro powered off-road rally car. So yeah, we've got the 2.4 gigahertz 4-wheel drive 1/8 scale, the Pro 21BX engine, good engines there, off-road ready to run, guys. Oh, this is going to be absolutely wicked. Picture looks good. So yeah, let's go take a look at the back of the box then, guys. So here we are. High performance Bulldog rubber tire. Cool, okay. Ventilated flywheel, high performance tuned pipe and manifold. Yeah, the Thunder Tiger, they built their cars really well back in the day. Like, this is 2012 now, so this is like 12, 10, 14 years old. So yeah, let's go for it. Here we have it, guys. The Thunder Tiger. Let's open the box and see what it's like. Pop that down there. Don't want to destroy the box, so I really do like keeping the boxes in good nick. Oh my god. Oh. Little blanket. Wow. Jesus. It looks short and stumpy. Got the shell here. Absolutely. You know what? In pictures, I never used to like the look of it, but actually looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. It's absolutely massive shell though. Really big. Nice detail on it. Wow. Bigger than a Savage shell. Yes, see. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh no, that is firm as they come, that is. Holy hell. I can tell already this is going to handle really good. Let me bring you closer. Yep, so here it is, guys. Thunder Tiger EB4 s2.5 Mini Cooper. It's the rally car. It looks flipping stunning. That is really firm suspension. Everything looks top notch on it. Really good. Plenty of tread left on everything. Well, it hasn't been used. See, we've got the stop sign left on it. Let's get you guys a bit closer look. So here it is, guys. Wow. Stop. Warning. Jesus, this is immaculate. There hasn't been fuel in there at all. No fuel anywhere. These little rubber things drive me nuts. God, do you know what? I think this is going to be an absolute animal. It's going to handle a treat. Do you know what? I really do like the red on it. Really, really nice. Nice shiny tuned pipe there, metal pipe. Nice big pull start there. That's what I need for my fat fingers. But yeah, guys, these are going to be super quick cars. I'm going to go at least 40 mile an hour. With the right tune, I'm sure we can get it going that quick. The front protector, in case I smash it into a curb, which I probably will do. Whoa, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. Coilover suspensions with the adjustable plastic clips in there. You can pull them out to reduce the ride height or make it higher. But don't know, there's plenty of clearance underneath there. And it's riding super firm as well, look at that. Really firm. Nice. Yeah, here we have it. I'll go ahead and put the shell on it now, see what it looks like with the shell on. And yeah, let's do it. So yeah, here we have it, guys. The shell is on. But it doesn't look too bad, does it? It's absolutely massive, wide as hell because it's a mini. Minis are like short and stumpy. But to be fair, that looks all right. Very close to the arches here. They will scrape, 100%. So I might have to cut them out, make them a bit wider. But no. Other than that, it all looks pretty sweet. Right, let's see what else it comes with then, guys. Not much in here. Where's the trusty salmon knife gone? The tins for the shell. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all there. Some not too sure what that is. I'll have to have a look at that. Little tiny spanner. So we've also got all of the, we've got the manuals as well for it. So the manual for the transmitter and the actual manual then for the buggy s2.5. Oh, I do miss my my other buggies. So let's take a look at this. So here we have it, guys. The Koga P3 2.4 gigahertz. There we are. I wonder if it's got three channels on it to put the remote start on it. Nice. So you know what I might do? I might just put some batteries in it. Put some batteries in the transmitter. I'll put some batteries in the receiver now and see if all the servos are working as they should. Hopefully they are. I was told it's never ever been run. So I need Why the hell do these always take so much batteries? It's a right pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AAs. Nightmare. But then again, I always use my rechargeable Energizer ones for the ready to run. 2, 4, 6. When I've got the ready to runs, I use the rechargeable AAs. So much easier. In my 7PX, I have actually got a LiPo in that, which keeps it charged for a very, very long time. Oh, that's not even working. Do I have... Oh, it's a bit on the dodgy side, this one is. I might have to get a new tray to put in there. Yeah, I think I'll have to get a new tray. Have I got one here? Nope, that won't go. Oh, what a pain that is. Right, I'm going to pause this for a minute, guys, and see if I can get it working. Right, there we are. Green light means it's full. So we've got that on. Don't know if this battery works, which I don't think it does. Aha. Now this should work, this battery should. It packs a absolute punch. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, look at that. Right, let's bring you a bit closer. Right, so I use my little Lifey battery here, which won't even fit in it because the battery's too bloody big. What it should do, squeeze it in. Yeah, that'll do for now. So yeah, we have got left and right. So that turning lock does not look very. I could probably go further than that. I'll probably just have to mess about with the trims, and then we've got the throttle and brake then. Throttle and brake. What I will need to do, I will need to put some air filter oil on the air filter before I start it up. And obviously fuel in tank, check the glow plug, make sure everything's burning bright on that. Surely that turns more than that. Not much of a lock on that. There we are. So we've got the dual rate here then. On the controller, the dual rate just determines how far these turn then. But you don't want to go turning too far. If I prop it up now, if I get my tyre. I'll prop it up there. So you just want to go back here where the servo stops. You don't put too much pressure on the servo. There, perfect. That's excellent there. Yeah, that's turning much better now. Should get a pretty decent turning circle on this now, guys. I'll show you. So yeah, they're turning quite well there. Perfect. God, that battery's a hell of a squeeze to get in there. Oh, that feels amazing. Perfect. So yeah, guys, there we have it, the Thunder Tiger EB4 s2.5 Mini Pro 21. Hope you liked the video. The next one's going to be the braking procedure of it. 4 tanks on idle as always, then a full tank on quarter throttle, full tank on half, and full tank on full throttle burst. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and have a good one.